Hello students, welcome back to our channel Learn with Sahira. Students, in this video I am going to give you complete explanation of unit number 3 of your subject FIT degree first semester BCom computer applications. This video will be really very useful to you ma. If you watch this video completely till end without skipping, you will get 10 marks definitely. 8 marks for long question and 2 marks from short question. Okay. So watch the video completely. If you're new to my YouTube channel Learn with Sahira, subscribe my channel for more videos and also share this video with your friends too, so that it will be beneficial and helpful for them also. I have already completed unit 1 and unit 2 explanation. If you didn't watch that videos, you go to my channel's playlist semester 1 FIT. You will find all the videos related to the FIT subject. Okay, so go to my channel's playlist and watch that videos. It will be really very useful for you. Okay, if you want to contact me, if you want to ask any doubts, if you're having any doubts, you can join my YouTube channel. After opening my channel, you will be finding join option there. You can join my channel, you can ask any doubt which you are having. Okay, and also if you didn't join my telegram channel, join my telegram channel, and you can also contact me on my Instagram. Link will be on my channel. So okay, without wasting any time, let us get started with the unit 3 explanation. In unit 3 you will be having first important question as what is software and what are the different types of software. So first let me say you that we are having software and hardware in the computer Software is intangible, means we cannot see, we cannot touch, we cannot feel. Software is something which is intangible. Hardware is tangible we can see the hardware, we can touch the hardware, we can feel the hardware. So let us first see the definition of software. Software is a set of programs, instructions and data that tells a computer how to perform a specific task. It is nothing but a set of programs or instructions or orders, you can say it will say a computer what to perform, what is the work, how that work should be done, how the input should be given, like that everything will be said by the software. Okay, it will help the computer in processing the data or in doing some work. Okay, software is a thing which helps the computer to do a particular work. Okay, we are having user, software and hardware. So user wants something from the computer. So what the user will do? User will command. We people will command that we want this, we want that. Yes, sorry for the disturbance Okay, so user will be there, he or she will command that we want something. User will give the input to the computer, yes or no. So what this software will act as? Software act like a bridge between the hardware and the user It is a bridge between user and hardware. Okay, so let us see what are the examples. Microsoft Word is a software. Okay, Microsoft Word, MS Word, we use that MS Word to create documents. Yes or no, I have said you in the previous class, it seems. If not, I will be discussing briefly now. Okay, Google Chrome is also a software. Can we touch a Google Chrome? Can we touch a Google or browser? No, we can't, but we use it for having our output, to get our output. Yes or no, these are the softwares these are intangible, we cannot touch or feel, but we can use it to get the output. Okay, so let us see the different types of software First you have to write the definition of software Software means it is intangible, we cannot see or touch it. It acts as a bridge between user and hardware. It helps the computer to do a specific task. It is a set of programs or instructions which will be given to the computer, like that orally in your own words you write about it. Okay, next types of software first type is system software. What is meant by system software? Let us see. System software is designed to manage hardware resources and provide a platform for running application software. Okay, this is designed to manage hardware resources what are the different hardware resources? System software will manage all that hardware resources. What is the purpose? Let us see. Controls and coordinates hardware devices. So all the hardware devices will be controlled by system software Okay, examples are operating system. OS is the example for system software. Don't worry, I will be sharing this PDF in your telegram group. In my telegram group you can access this from the telegram group. Example C, Windows, Linux, Android. So these are the examples for system software. Okay, Utility programs then helps in system maintenance and optimization. It is nothing but helps the computer to be safe, to maintain properly. Example, because of the virus or because of some or the other issues, system will get stuck up, right? System will stop working, it will stop to work. So in that way, this utility programs make sure that the system is perfect with the maintained ability without any virus like that. Example, antivirus, disk cleanup, file compression. In our mobile phones also we will be having cleanup option, right? By that all the chache or all the trash files, everything will be get freshed up, so our mobile phone will not struck. So in the same way, in computer also utility programs will be there, so that they can maintain the computer to run smoothly. Then we have device drivers. Device drivers are examples like allows the operating system to interact with hardware devices. Example, printer driver, graphics driver. So in system software only we are having these examples. System software manages the hardware resources. Examples like operating system, utility programs, device drivers, like that. These are the examples under system software only. One type of software only we have seen here. Now let us go with the application software. Application software is designed to perform specific tasks for users, such as creating documents, playing games, or editing videos. By the name itself we can confirm that it is used for application. Whatever the user wants, whatever the input is given by the user, it will allow the computer to do it. Example, we will be playing games on the computer, or we will be creating the documents in MS Word, or we will be using spreadsheet or PowerPoint. So this application software is designed to perform that task, playing games or editing videos, like that. Purpose, entertainment, communication, and productivity. My examples, let us see. General purpose software. In application software we are having types. Here we have seen utility programs, device drivers, like that. Here we are having general purpose. I just said, word processing, spreadsheets, and presentation. PowerPoint, it can also be called as PowerPoint. MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint are general purpose software in application software. Then specialized software, Adobe Photoshop, Corel Draw. So these are the editing apps, editing for photo editing or for video editing. Few extra apps we will be using, no, like that. These are the specialized software which are used to do the editing. Okay. Next we are having web applications. Web applications like Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, social media like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Gmail, Outlook. So in application we are having this different types: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, photo and video editing. Then we are having browsers, Gmails, all that. So system completed, application completed. Next we are having development. Development software is nothing but it is used by programmers to write, test, and debug applications or system software. Examples, programming languages. Development software is nothing but programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, compilers, and interpreters. What this will do, this will change the languages, convert source code into machine readable code. See, example, we are giving a input to the computer, but our language will not be understandable by the computer, no. So here compilers and interpreters are used to convert our understandable language to computer understandable language. Again, these are used to change the computer understandable language to our understandable language. Okay, so those are that. Then we are having integrated development environments like Visual Studio, PyCam, Eclipse, like that. Database management system, DBMS. This is really very important. A separate question will be asked on DBMS. I will be explaining you. You just be with me. Okay. These are the examples. And then we are having middleware. Middleware acts as a bridge between different software applications or between software and hardware components. A middleware, by name itself we can say that it is a bridge between software applications or software and hardware components. Purpose, you see, communication, data transfer, database middleware, message oriented middleware we are having. Then we are having firmware. Firmware is a type of low level software embedded directly into hardware devices. Okay, it controls specific hardware functions often stored in ROM and cannot be easily modified, like basic input output system in computers. Firmware in printers, routers and cameras. This is nothing but you can just mention that 4 to 5 ma, then it will be enough. Then software is an essential part of a computer system, enabling both hardware control and user interaction. So this is nothing but the conclusion. Whatever we have discussed, it is given in this. So this is enough to get the 8 marks ma. Okay, then we are having features of MS Word. What are the different features? Let us see. Features are create, edit, format and print documents such as letters, reports and resumes. MS Word is used to create a document ma. Document will be created in any way we want. We can make a creative one, we can make a normal one, we can make a advanced one. All the features will be there in MS Word. Microsoft Word, what are all the features? Let us see. Okay, you have to write the definition first. Microsoft Word is a word processing software which is used to create, edit, format or print documents. Like that you have to write a definition. Then you have to write the features. What are the features? Text editing and formatting. Deleting will be there, modifying will be there, typing will be there, styles of font will be there, means handwriting styles will be there, sizes will be there, colors will be there. I think you have known, you know about the MS Word ma. So nothing but here we will be having different options ma, to change the text style, to change into bold or underlined or italic. So different types, superscript, subscript will be there. So everything will be there in MS Word. Then we are having templates. Pre-designed templates for resumes will be there, letters and reports will be there. Already template will be there, in that only we have to fill the details. Our resume or letter will be made. Okay, created, spell and grammar check. If we are typing any wrong spelling, what will happen? That Microsoft Word will correct the spelling automatically. Okay, automatic grammatical errors will be corrected. Insert options, we can insert images or tables or charts. Okay, for visual representation. Okay, then we are having headers, footers, page numbers, adds consistency to documents. We can add headers, footers, page numbers, first page, second page. See here you are finding it. See, 14th page of 27th, like that page numbers we can manage. Page layout settings will be there, margins will be there, size, how much size of the paper should be there, how should be the layout, everything will be given. So here nothing but you have to write that MS Word is used to create the documents. It will have various options like changing the text into number of styles, superscript, subscript will be there, page numbering, headers, footers, all that whatever you know you have to write ma. Okay, mail merge will be there, document protection, printing and export options. These are everything about MS Word ma. In simple words you can write whatever you know about the MS Word. I think you have went to the lab programs also to do MS Word and Excel. Okay, then we will go with the MS Excel. First we have to know what is MS Excel. MS Excel is also known as spreadsheet ma. If they ask you features of MS Excel, you have to write the same thing. If they ask you features of spreadsheet, you have to write the same thing ma. It is a software used for data organization, analysis and visualization through tables and charts. Rows and columns will be there in MS Excel. It is used to do the calculations, data organization, or you can also say it will create tables and charts or pie graphs, pie charts, like that. Features: see, worksheets and cells. Data is organized in rows and columns. I said, you know, all the data will be organized in rows and columns. Formulas will be there to do the addition, to do the multiplication, to do the subtraction, division. All that formulas will be there. If we insert that formula into the box, all the calculations will be done automatically. No need to do individual calculation ma. Like 2 plus 2 equals to 4, 5 plus 2 equals to 7, like that calculations we should not do by handmade. If we just to add the formula in that box, calculations will be done automatically, like that. Then charts and graphs, we can make the representation of data by charts, bar graphs, line charts or pie charts. Okay, so the data which is created, we can show it in forms of charts or graphs. Data analysis tools will be there ma. It will analyze large data easily. Okay, conditional formatting, like colors for values above a threshold, different colors can be used. Sorting and filtering, organizes and filters data based on specified criteria. Data validation, Macros, what is meant by macros ma? It automates repetitive tasks during VBA, visual basic for application. Chart and graph customization, if we want titles or labels to the chart, we can make it by the help of MS Excel. It is nothing but it is used for calculations, it is used for data organization or analysis, like that. In your own words you have to write my MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, whatever they give you, you have to write in simple own words. Okay, then security features will be there, import and export options will be there. Okay, so what is the conclusion? Let us see. MS Word is ideal for creating text based documents, letters, and reports. Here, MS Excel is best suited for data analysis, calculations, and chart organization or creation, you can say. So, in simple words, you have to write whatever you know. Okay, like to write a letter, to write a report, to write a resume, we use MS Word. Yes or no? To do the additions or multiplication or subtraction, or to show the data in form of graphs, we will use MS Excel. Like that, you have to write in your own words. If they ask you PowerPoint is used to make the videos, to present the data in visual formation, like to present the data. Presentations will be done by PowerPoint, slides will be there in the PowerPoint. We can make a video through different slides, to adding many pictures, or by changing the text style. Everything in your own words you can write ma, no need to worry about it. Okay, then let us see DBMS. What is DBMS? Okay, here a question will be asked, you write advantages of DBMS over a file system. Okay, so here what you have to write, you have to write DBMS advantages. First you have to write the clear explanation about DBMS. I have given you explanation about DBMS. No, what is DBMS? Wait, here it is, let me show you. Yes, it is nothing but database management system. First is data redundancy or reduction, you can say. DBMS minimizes duplicate data through normalization. See, if duplicate data is there, just assume that if we are transferring the files from our mobile to some other device like pen drive, if we are adding both the photos, same photos once, or we are adding already a photo, same photo will be there in the pen drive, that photo only we will be adding into the pen drive again. So what will happen, you know, that file will ask you the confirmation, already this photo exists in the pen drive, do you want again it to transfer it, like that. So here DBMS, it was only assumption, my example. So here the DBMS will make sure that there will be no duplicate data, but in the file system duplicate data will be stored. Data consistency, it ensures the consistency across data by applying constraints ma, but file system will lead to inconsistent data entries. Okay, next let us see data integrity. DBMS enforces rules to maintain data accuracy and validity, whereas file system lack built-in integrity checks. So here DBMS main feature is data integrity ma, it will maintain data accuracy. Okay, then we have security. DBMS offers a user authentication and access control to secure data. In DBMS, what will happen? No, there will be a software which will allow only the user to track that or to access that data. Any unknown user or any third person or second person will not access that data. So here security will be there in form of authentication will be done. So only the user will be allowed, other users, other unknown users will not be allowed. But in the file system it will not be like that, security will not be there. Concurrent access, DBMS allows multiple users to access data and modify data simultaneously without conflicts, without any disturbance, without any issue. What will happen in DBMS, it will allow the user to access and modify the data. If he want to do any changes in the data, he can do. If he want to access the data, he can access. But in the file systems it will not be like that. Backup and recovery is really very easy in DBMS, but in file system backup is not possible. Query language, DBMS allows easy data retrieval using SQL queries, but in file system it is very complex for data access. Okay. Scalability, it can handle large amount of data because DBMS is a software which is accessible, means which is possible that it will be storing large amount data, but in the file system it is insufficient to perform or to access large amount of data. Data abstraction data abstraction, what is DBMS? Provides data abstraction allowing users to interact with data at high level. Data sharing will be there, it will allow the users to share the data from one system to other system, but in the file system it will not be like that. So see, these points highlight how DBMS offers more advanced features, security and efficiency compared to traditional file system. In own words you have to write see, you just know and you just remember this side headings: data redundancy and reduction, data consistency, data integrity. If you just learn and remember this subheadings, you can write in your own words. If you are having any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section or join my YouTube channel. I will fastly reply to your doubt. Okay, see you all in the next video of unit 4 explanation. Bye bye.